That's interesting, isn't it? Yeah, possibly so. But it's interesting as we stay on this due west heading. We've come out of 300 foot of water. We're flying, still taking a temperature reading at right now 130 feet down. And we're going due west. And we're flying right now about 2.5 knots. Approaching 130. We're gonna bring her and land her in this 100-foot area and start making our drift, looking for derelict gear, abandoned crab pots. The popular depth for crabbing in Puget Sound has been between that 80 and 110 feet of bottom depth. And our target is to stay in that area and work along the shoreline, locating, identifying, and working with a removal WDFW tribal on bringing some of this derelict out of the Puget Sound. Dropping down another 10 feet. Looking at our depth, we're 115 feet. Whoa, whoa. Looking at the seafloor, the temperature is 49 degrees. TMKey Film Research. We're a Washington State contractor on the first day of a 24-month research of the near shoreline, far shoreline in Kitsap County. In this day one research project, we started at the Pierce County, Kitsap County boundary line in 300 foot of water, moved up into the 110 foot, followed it along on advice from WDFW Patrol, also tribal fishers on the depth that they use crab pots. Also with their one camera, it's a specialized filter system. 50 degrees right now. Our temperature is a little bit concerning on the warm side. But this is a high definition camera, mostly of what is real popular out there to the sportsman. But the water looks fairly clear. You see not a lot of debris in the water. Marine snow, as I've been educated to call it. And these are toxins that float through the water, come out of the drain field and sewer areas off of the Interstate 5. Now, let's switch over to a different camera. This has a specialized filter system in it that allows me to fly along at 2, maybe 3 miles an hour, or you can say knots too. And look at what I'm seeing with the specialized system of filters and lenses. This is really what's in that water. Same shot, same depth, 2 different cameras side by side, and this is really what we're seeing in marine snow.